Hey guys, it's Tasty Guava. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get these folders inside of Discord. To get this folders feature inside of Discord is go on over to your server list. If you don't already have servers inside of folders, just drag the servers on top of each other to create a folder. And what you're going to want to do is open and close your folder really quickly. So while the loading animation is still ongoing, you're going to want to click back in for it to close. As you can see, we got it there. So you just have to time it really correctly. It's kind of hard to describe the timing, but you don't want to instantly click it open and closed, but you want to get it as soon as the animation starts. So we get it like that. There we go. Kind of struggling over here. Sometimes I can do it perfectly all in a row. But as you can see, now we have all of the server folders inside of actual folder icons instead of seeing little previews, which looks a lot nicer. I don't know why Discord doesn't enable this as like an actual feature, since it is already a bug. Just like many things in the past they've added and they just removed. Like, can we get at someone back if anyone remembers that? At someone? Or like, I don't know, sound packs? Anyways, that's how you get folders inside of Discord. I do have to warn you though, as soon as you reload Discord, it will disappear, as again, this is a bug. But I'll be uploading another video on how to do this permanently. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.